Computer-aided design, also known as CAD, is the future of the design and manufacturing industry. And for anyone with ambitions to work in the industry, it's essential to know the basics of CAD. Technological advancements have changed the design industry for good, and 3D printing is now standard due to the improved accuracy and the explanation of the relationships between the various measurements involved in a project. In his book, The Beginner's Guide to a Career in CAD, Dr. Farrukh Makhdum, PhD, guides you through the basics of CAD, such as what exactly it is, how it came about, and how it has transformed design and manufacturing. He also discusses the future of CAD and some of the different roles available to those seeking a career in CAD. And he touches on some of the most popular CAD roles out there and the salary you can expect to command in the UK and US. Dr. Makhdum is an experienced engineer who has written extensively on CAD and on other forms of design, manufacturing and engineering. In this book, written for those with no prior knowledge of CAD, he explains things in clear, concise language, which is easy to understand and includes diagrams to help further explain the ideas discussed. As part of his commitment to the future of CAD, Dr. Makhdum created his own enterprise, CAD FM. Based in Glasgow, it seeks to serve the community by supporting those who face barriers to training and career progression. Via its C-VAP programme, CAD FM helps them to learn new skills to plug the gap in the market for designers and manufacturers. Full of easy to understand instructions and guidance, The Beginner's Guide to a CAD Career is essential reading for anybody considering a role in the industry.